What's up, everybody? Welcome to another week of the #1 show. You know it's all about Pree Dis, and of course, I'm your host, Cruddy. Now, this week we're coming to you from Montego Bay, and what? We're at the #1 spot in the whole capital. It's all about Margaritaville. On the night, it's all about Clubville. But today, we're coming for takeover. You know it's Cruddy. You know it's Pree Dis. And anytime you see me on your TV for the next half hour, it's straight madness. Cruddy, Margaritaville, Moby, Zephyril, big up the whole team. Keep it locked up. Pree Dis start now. We kick off the show this week with highlights from Magnum Menke. Big up DJ Wall with the whole team right now. I'm inside of the gift shop. I'm going to get a hat for the next Menke. I'm going to go down there right now. Listen to me. Magnum Menke highlights. Check it out.
It up and it a back up. Right when she up it chuck and it enough up. Jack it up and it a go up. Quite when she lock it up and it a tough up. Come. Sit pan the Jackie. Nothing but a good girl. Make Johnny happy. We are sweet for the Grammy no lotty. So why not come here with the nanny, make me rap it. Come now, girl. You make me feel. Me want loving time with ya. Me want loving time with ya. You make me feel. Me want loving time with ya. Me want loving time with ya. You body richer with them get ya. Come here, girl, with the muddy fish I make a net ya. You want this?
So right now we're moving on to the Sunshine Girls versus England inside the arena. Big up the whole Petcom team because we spoke to Petcom, major sponsors for the Sunshine Girls. Remember, you are watching Pree Dis. Of course, I'm your host, Cruddy. Keep it locked. The National Indoor Sports Arena for what? For the Sunshine Girls, Jamaica's own versus England. Listen, don't move a muscle. We are here because of Petcom. Petcom being a major sponsor on this event. You know what? We're going to go in, we're going to watch the match, I get some highlights. Keep it locked. Now time to get some feedback from the supporters. We're here at Brendalin. Brendalin, what are you thinking about the game so far?
Well, so far, England turned over, but we want to win the game, the Jamaican team, and we are playing good.
I think we're not taking our 3 seconds.
No, that's true. Yeah. When we get the ball, we're supposed to circle, we're throwing away all the passes then.
All right. So Brendalin think Jamaica not playing so patient right now. A bag of stars in the building right now. The match going on. Angel, tell me your feedback about the game so far.
The game is good. I mean, they're playing good. So let's see who wins. May the better team win.
Now we're here at Ashley. Ashley, what do you think about the game so far?
I think that we're losing.
It's clear on the scoreboard. So how do you think Jamaica can help themselves?
Intercept the passes.
I really want to thank all the sponsors, including Petcom, who has really come out to make the arena and the foyer look so different. And I must say, it's been overall very good.
Tell me about Petcom association with Jamaica's netball team.
Well, we are a proud sponsor of the Jamaican Netball, the Sunshine Girls, as they're famously called. And we are very pleased to be a sponsor, as I said. You know, it's a truly Jamaican company, Petcom. And we're representing a truly Jamaican side. And we must say thumbs up to the Sunshine Girls because they have they might not win all their matches at home and abroad, but they are winners in our books because it's just the drive to continue and the persistence that they have that keep on, that fire in the belly to keep going. And we as Petcom, a truly Jamaican company, is really pleased to be supporting these girls.
So Pree Dis, I'm at the newly renovated bar right here inside Margaritaville, Moby. You need to come down, you need to come check it out. And remember when you party at Clubville, you have a wonderful time. But remember when you're going home, we have to reach home. So please remember to drink responsibly. It's now time for the responsible drinking tip of the week, brought to you by Rum Bar Rum. So Tero, I hear your turn to talk to you now.
Big up yourself and the Margaritaville Moby team, Cruddy. Now here's this week's responsible drinking tip. If you experience episodes of overdrinking and loss of control, abstain from alcohol for 30 days. This will lower your alcohol tolerance, interrupt your drinking pattern, and provide you with a fresh start. Any drinking occasion requires self-discipline. I am Terra 3000, and that was the responsible drinking tip of this week, brought to you by Rum Bar Rum.
Remember, you're watching Pree Dis with your host, Cruddy. Now keep it locked because we have a lot more in this week's show. Soon come back. First commercial break.